Today, we're going to see together how we're going to be able to apply in-app promotions to your digital menu. I have here my QR menu opened, and I also have my tablet menu opened on a simulator. As you can see here, this is my tablet menu, just as you will see it if you have a tablet device. And here is my QR menu opened on a browser. First of all, we're going to see what are promotions and how they do appear on the digital menu. We have three main promotions or type of promotions that we can apply on the digital menu. We have time-based, selection-based, and banner-based, and we're going to go through all of them together. The time-based one is only available for the tablet menu. So please, if you are using this type of promotion, please buy it to, or don't expect it to be applied on a QR menu or a browser menu, because this one is only available for the tablet menu. Let's give this promotion a name. For example, time-based promotion. And we can give it a description if you want to remember what this promotion was about. And time-based menu promotion means that the picture that you upload here, or the video, or the website that you would like to open as a pop-up on the menu, will appear after a certain amount of time on the screen of the digital menu on the tablet. So for example, let's apply a photo here. Here is the photo being uploaded. Now I have my photo, and I want to make this, for example, appear on the screen after 3 seconds. And I want to keep the promotion until the customer closes it. I'm going to save it and go live. As you can see here right now, I will not see any changes on the tablet menu because I didn't press my publish change button. So when I press it, the menu on the tablet menu will reload. And now when I enter or click on my menu button, if I wait 3 seconds, I should see the pop-up of my screen or the pop-up of the promotion appearing on the screen. And this is how you can allow a promotion to be time-based, which means you can use it as a screensaver, let's say. So for example, if they are scrolling, or if they're entering items, if they are doing something on the menu, they will not see, but whenever they stop doing anything, it will pop up on the screen. Let's go back, for example, and turn it off, and let's add a new promotion. We have now selection-based and banner-based. Those two are applicable both on the tablet menu and also on the QR menu together at the same time. Selection-based means that this photo that was just appearing on my tablet is going to be activated not because of waiting certain time, but it's going to be activated when a customer does an action. And this action can be entering a menu, or entering a certain section, or entering inside a certain item. For example, let's call the selection-based promo. And let's apply this promotion on our menu, which is called our menu right now. The photo that I would like to appear is, let's say, a different photo this time. Let's make it this photo. Of course, it can be a video or it can be a website. If it's a website, you can have entered the website here, or if you like, you can go the photo, and if the customer clicks on it, it will take them to a website as well. So if I click say go live, and of course I have to click this button again for the tablet. For the tablet, you will see it whenever I click this button. This promotion code will automatically be activated, meaning that it will appear on the screen whenever I click the button of menu, but it will not appear again after that. Whatever I do, even if I wait, nothing will happen unless I go back to the main page and I click the menu button again. Then it will appear until here, until I click this button. And now if I go to my QR menu on the browser, this same promotion will appear when I enter the menu, but it will not appear again when I scroll down or browse the menu. To go to, of course, you can also change this activation to be done over a selection instead of a menu. So for example, if you want this promotion to be activated not on the entry of the menu, but when the customer reaches, for example, the float section here. So I can select the float section. And of course, this is the photo. I'm going to save, and I'm going to refresh my page. For example, let's go back to the main page and let's go enter again. Now, as you can see, the image will not appear, will not pop up on the screen right away. But if I scroll down all the way to my float section, for example, I'm here and I'm checking the float section, I'm checking, and then all of a sudden this promotion will appear on the screen. And the third option is to combine it with an item. It's the same thing, just like a section. Instead of, for example, opening when you reach a section, it will open up when you reach an item or you enter an item. As an example, let me show you here. I have an example of this already available on a different menu. As you can see here, if I enter this item, I will see an advertisement of Coca-Cola appearing on the screen. And this advertisement has been activated just because I entered this item. Whenever I close it, it will disappear. I can see the item again. But if I enter again to that item, it will appear again every time. So this is the selection-based promotion. And the last one is the banner-based promotion. And it's something that looks like this. Let me remove this from here. And it's something that looks like this. This is the banner-based promotion. Let's apply it to our current menu as well. Let's put it at the top. Let's put it here. So let's close this one. I'm gonna switch this off, add a new promotion. I'm gonna call it banner-based. And here it requires you 2 photographs. First, let's select our menu. So I want this promotion to appear at the beginning, not in the middle. And let's select our photo. Let's put this photo as our banner photo, which is the photo that will appear on the entry. And let's, whenever a customer clicks on this photo, another image will appear. And this image, let's make it this one. Of course, you can have a video appear instead, or you can take a customer to a different website. Let's go live and let's refresh the page. And now, as you can see, I have a banner that is appearing on the entry of the menu. And whenever I click on it, it will open up the photo that is related to the banner. Or for example, this is the promotion I uploaded. As another example of like another customer who used this feature, for example, here, another customer who added like review us on Google banner. And when you click on it, it takes them to a website. It takes the customer to a website, which is the Google Maps, so they can leave a review. So this is like another way of using this feature by adding it as a banner and taking the customer to a different website. Thank you so much.